don't know kung gaano ka kaswapang ng mga taong ito. Insatiable, walang kaano eh. Hindi na natuwa sa 1 million, hindi na natuwa sa 10 million, billions na. Oh, you know, I was offered also something like that to run in Davao. Di panahon na darating ako dyan. I was offered to run in Davao. I was offered billion din. Nung hindi ako tumakbo, tinanggal ako sa trabaho. Because I was offered to run. Hindi ko na lang sabihin. May panahon para I will go into the details of that offer. 1 billion. Alam natin kung bakit yung mga iba doon tumakbo against the president. Wow, alam natin. Oh, bayan na lang, siya na lang magbala, mag-explain later. So, ayun po. Ang appeal ko sa inyo, mga kasamahan ko sa PDP at sa lahat ng bawat Pilipino. Let us be vigilant. Oh, at saka, wag lang tayo ma-satisfy sa bunganga. Let's do something. Gagawa tayo ng paraan. Oh, gagawa tayo ng paraan. Para sa ganon ay, medyo naman, sila, masyado na silang garapal. Wala lang parang natural na sa kanila magnakaw eh.
Walang break fluid.
Wala na. Nakaw talagang nakaw. Openly.
Former DOLE Secretary Silvestre Bello said he was removed as MECO chief because he declined an offer to run as congressman. He declined to offer to run against Congressman Ungab of Davao's 3rd District in exchange for 1 billion pesos and an assurance that he will have a cabinet post in case he loses the election. Have we heard from the president about this?
I talked to the president personally on this matter and he said, it's a lie.
And ma'am, may we know what's the reason behind Bello's removal from MECO?
You can ask him. But on the part of the president, it's a lie. There's no truth about that.
And speaking of cabinet positions, ma'am, may updates po ba sa cabinet revamp or reorganization natin?
Sa ngayon, wala pang ibinibigay na update. At kung meron pa, katulad sinabi mo po natin noong Wednesday, kapag mayroong update, ibibigay ko po sa inyo lahat. At mababalitaan naman po natin pag nagkaroon ng cabinet revamp ulit.